Hi guys, look, I found another business card sized kit, although it's listed as a credit card size kit. It's either a very large credit card or it's a business card size. It's called Oscard, Oscard, play on words, because it's Oscar and he's credit card sized, apparently. It's a jointed figure, so body, arms and legs of some sort, that'll be the head. Those will be the links to join the bits together. There'll be feet there somewhere. So yeah, another one to put together. I might animate it. In fact, I think on Thingiverse there was some links to some animated versions. Anyway, I'll pop that up and we'll have a look at it. The instructions on the screen are for version 1. This is actually version 2. The difference is the way the feet go together. I think this is going to take so long to put together that if I'm going to do an animation with it, I'll do that completely separately. It's just so many bits. I would say a lot of thought has gone into this design. Where there's a little ramp next to where the hole is for the piece to slide up and clip in place. It's not quite going to go far enough. So that can't be the right piece. No, I don't think that's the right piece. That's annoying. How do we get them off again? Stop for a minute and check the video. Well, that does seem to be the right piece. Unless that piece would look like it'd fit better. That can't be right. That goes on there. And his leg's pointing the wrong way. Something strange there. Something very strange. It's all going so well. I'm going to look at the video again. Well, I'm still not convinced looking at the video. To say, because there's version 1 and there's version 2. Oh. I got the feeling those bits should be there. The arms are a bit short. I reckon those bits are those bits, because that's a bit shorter than that bit. There you go. So I've swapped over that piece and that piece, so that arm is a bit longer and that leg is a bit shorter. You can see. I think that's better that way round, so I'll swap them on that side as well. Right, I think that looks better. The arms are slightly longer and the legs are slightly shorter. So there we go. Ready for animation. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.